Now it is time for the unboxing of the AirPods, and these ones are the second generation ones, so they have improved battery life and they have Hey Siri functionality, so you can just say Hey Siri and they activate Siri. And I got these 6 months ago, and I've been using them for a while. 90% of you who watch these videos are not subscribed, so a subscribe would be massively appreciated. So now for the unboxing of the AirPods. So it says designed by Apple in California. And so there's quick start information on how to run it. I'll just leave it there. There's more information on the other side, so I'll just leave that there on this side. It tells you how to pair it to your iPhone device. And here's all the legal and warranty stuff. So here's the actual AirPods. And you just open them up. So I get my phone ready next to it. I just turn it on. I can open up the headphones and they will automatically pair when that's open. So it says not your AirPods. AirPods are not connected to this iPhone. So I press connect. So it says press and hold the button on the back of the charger case. So you hold that down. And then they're already paired. So I can see that they have battery. And I just press done. And so they're already paired because they make use of the H1 chip that is included inside of there. So they can connect to all Apple devices. So we'll put this down for a second. And you also get an included Lightning to USB-A cable. The same cable is used for your iPhone. So now onto the AirPods. So you just see they're rather small. They're smaller at the top than the other headphones. They've got a stem which makes them disperse the weight more. So when you put them in your ears, you can't, basically, if you have them in your ears for a little while, you don't even notice that they're there. And so you can see it just popped down saying Louis AirPods connected, which is a new update with the iOS 14. So it's called handoff. Let's say you listen to music on your iPhone, and then you want to listen to music on your Mac or your iPad or your Apple Watch maybe. It automatically detects that the accelerometer is moving and you're playing music, and it reconnects to the other device. So iOS 14, I have the beta currently installed on my phone, but it'll work with macOS Big Sur, which is the next update on your laptop, and it will enable the AirPods to have much better connectivity over devices, as they can only be paired at one device at a time. But if you have two devices, or if you have an iPad, an iPhone, an Apple Watch and an iPad, and you're in the Apple ecosystem, you can switch from device to device with no hassle in between. As before, you had to, for example, scroll up and hold this so that you could switch to your AirPods as an audio source. So if I play some music from Spotify, I can click play on the music. So that's the music playing. And if you go into settings, so you don't need to download a third-party app for this, you can just go into settings. If you go to Bluetooth, you can just click on the little eye next to the AirPods, and you can customize the name, so I can change them to whatever name I want. I can change the double tap feature, so you can change the double tap to Siri, play, pause, next track, previous track, or you can just turn it off completely. So I put the left one on play, pause, and automatic ear detection. So when I take it out, it stops the music for me. And when I put it back in, it resumes the music for me. The microphone, you can change which AirPod you want that, if you have a preference, but I'll just leave it on automatic. And it tells you all the specifications, like the model name, number, serial number, and version. And also, if you want, you can go into the music settings, and you can go to EQ, and you can customize which one you want. So if you want flat, or bass reducer, or pop, or whatever you want here, you can change to that. But there's not as much control over as the other headphones, as they have infinite, I guess. You can change them each to exactly what you want. But also inside of Spotify, you can do the same thing. So you can go to playback, and you can go to equalizer, and you can tweak each to what you want. So if you use Spotify, that's a handy thing to know. Yeah, so that's AirPods.